powerful segue there with communication, because you've got to make some noise, right? I mean, that's where we're at. Hey, full transparency, that's where we're at. We're trying to make some noise.
Mm-hmm.
We're trying to communicate, learn to be more articulate in our communication, but also clear in our identity, the seeker identity, even though revenue may be at a different stage, pushing towards greater communication, greater awareness, and connecting with people.
Mm-hmm.
So much of it comes down from actually building the connections, putting yourself out there, and moving forward towards that discomfort, and letting go of the expectation that it's supposed to feel easy.